Building a Wix website. A step-by-step guide creating a professional website doesn't require coding expertise. Wix offers a visual editor that simplifies the process. But building an effective online presence still demands careful planning and execution. This guide breaks down how to build a Wix website from domain selection to publishing your first blog post, focusing on hobby sites, portfolios, and service-based businesses. For e-commerce, platforms like Shopify or Squarespace are generally more robust. Choosing the right domain, your domain name is the cornerstone of your online identity. People will use it to find and recommend your site, so choose wisely. Effective domains are relevant, reflect your site's topic, e.g., your name photography. Com, short, easier to remember, e.g., your name photos, com over your name photography. Com, easy to spell and amp, say, avoids confusion and encourages word-of-mouth referrals. Com preferred, the most recognizable and memorable extension, unless you're emphasizing local presence, e.g., CA for Canada, or organizational type, e.g., org for nonprofits. Brainstorm options and get feedback from trusted sources. Wix includes a free domain for the first year, but purchasing through a registrar can often be cheaper long-term. Selecting a Wix plan, Wix requires a trial sign-up before purchasing. Be aware of feature limitations on different tiers to avoid building with functionalities you later lose access to. The Lite plan, $17 a month, is ideal for portfolios, small blogs, or hobby sites. It handles at least 20 large pages or 200 smaller ones. For e-commerce, the Core plan, $29 a month, is necessary, but it caps automated sales tax at 100 transactions monthly, a limitation that makes Wix less competitive than dedicated e-commerce platforms. Account setup and AMP. Site basics: create your Wix account using email or SSO, Google, Facebook, but consider security. Skip the AI site generator. It often produces poor designs. Instead, use the guided setup to enter basic site information, allowing Wix to suggest relevant apps. Review these carefully, as some are locked behind higher-tier plans. Connecting your domain if purchased through Wix, the process is automated. Otherwise, log into your registrar, e.g., Namecheap, and point your domain to Wix's name servers via DNS settings. A paid Wix plan is required to connect any domain. Choosing and customizing, a template Wix offers over 800 templates. Search by type: blog, portfolio, industry, photography, fashion, or use Wix's keyword suggestions based on your site's purpose. Templates are customizable, but switching later is difficult, so choose carefully. Preview desktop and mobile views. Next, modify the overall design in Site Design. Simplicity: 2 primary colors, 2 accent colors, and no more than 2 fonts. Contrast: ensure readability with significant color differences between background and text. Text size: at least 13-point font for paragraphs, larger headers for emphasis. Building your homepage: the homepage is your first impression. Include high-resolution visuals, engaging photos, graphics, or illustrations. Clear headers: concise explanations of your site's value. Calls to action: encourage specific actions, e.g., subscribe, learn more. White space: improve readability and reduce clutter. Navigation: a streamlined menu with essential links. Study competitor homepages for inspiration. Mobile optimization: Wix's mobile editor allows fine-grained control over how your site appears on smartphones. Customize header behavior, quick action buttons, and other mobile-specific elements. Essential pages: most websites need these. About: tell your story. Contact: provide a form, email, or phone number. Newsletter: capture leads with a sign-up form. Consider adding store product pages, service details, and a privacy policy. Add new pages via the menu editor. In conclusion, Wix provides an accessible way to build a website without coding. Success depends on careful planning, domain selection, template choice, and consistent customization to ensure a user-friendly and visually engaging online presence.